This is the top 5 most expensive gaming computers in the world. Fifth place, XTA Workstation Desktop. Price $21,895. Brand Next Computing. Processor 2.9 GHz AMD Ryzen Threadripper 32 cores. Next Computing says you can run resource demanding software and stream media up to 4K resolution, so users should have no problem with highly detailed games. Next Computing is known for its small footprint that don't compromise performance. The brand's PCs are used for gaming, but they're also used for things like high performance medical imaging and even intel gathering by the military. Fourth place, Concept D900 Desktop. Price $22,999.99. Brand Acer. It's equipped with an Intel Xeon Gold 6148 processor, 20 cores, and an Nvidia Quadro RTX 6000 graphics card with 24 GB of dedicated memory. Third place, HP Z8 G4 Workstation. Price $31,733.99. Brand HP. Processor Intel Xeon Gold octa-core. The HP Z8 G4 Workstation is a gaming PC that hits the top of its class for high power performance in complicated machine learning tasks as well as industry leading editing. This PC can edit 8K in real time, no questions asked, as well as run the most complicated visual and statistical simulation. Its data processing power alone is mouth-watering due to its 512 GB of usable RAM. Second place, 8-pack Orion X PC. Price $43,000. Brand 8-pack. Processor i9-10980XE at 4.6 GHz plus i7-10700K at 5 GHz. It has two separate rigs, fully customizable, in the Phanteks Elite Full Tower PC setup, which has an i9-10980XE processor. The reservoirs for the 8-pack water system are integrated with the chassis, showing off a large array of LED lighting. This PC has up to 128 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 14TB Seagate hard disk drive. First place, the Edge DL. Price $54,950. Brand Next Computing. The insanely powerful setup features a powerhouse AMD EPYC 7702P processor with a whopping 64 cores. You could call this system overkill, and it's definitely powerful enough for some intense work beyond the world of gaming, but passionate and rich players would have a great time with this PC. Beyond that powerful processor, this PC offers plenty of memory, 256 GB to be exact, and a stripped back simple design. It may not be flashy, but the Edge DL makes up for it with a more than capable configuration of processing power and memory. These are the top 5 most expensive gaming computers in the world. Thank you for spending the time to watch my video. I highly appreciate your feedback. Please write your feedback in the comments below. If you like this video, share this video with your friends and family. As always, I'll see you in the comments below. Thank you for watching.